How to remove restrictions on Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove the restrictions on Telegram. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now you'll be able to easily remove the restrictions on Telegram. However, you won't be able to do so on the application. You'll have to head into your browser, any browser on your device, and then you want to type in Telegram web, or you can type in telegram.web. I'll just type in Telegram web and it should take me here to this page where you can see the very first link, telegram.web, web.telegram.com. You can tap on it. Now here you have to first log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, and you can see here you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the left hand side of your screen and then tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you want to head into the option that says privacy and security there on the screen. Tap on it, and now here if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the sensitive content option, and below it you can see disable filtering option. You want to make sure that it's enabled, that the blue check mark is enabled here. If it is disabled, then it means you have restrictions. If you enable it, all the restrictions will be removed. So this way you can remove the restrictions on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.